Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. This coconut loser of mine behind me because she saw a hobo and she doesn't care for hobos. I'm out here at the U Pull and Save in Mason, Michigan. This used to be my favorite yard and I used to go here all the time, and now I don't work this way, so I haven't been here in a while. But I'm actually here looking for Cummins parts. I need a starter, and I saw that two different 6-liter Power Stroke trucks hit this yard about a month ago, beginning of December. So I'm gonna head out and see if I can scavenge a starter and leave Coconut here to bark at people. We'll be right back. All right, it's been a while since I've been here. Obviously, like, they changed the whole road out on me without me noticing. But as always, a 4L60 that, when built right, still lands in the return pile. Yeah, they changed the road. It used to be a boulevard, and now it's like got a bike path and stuff. But it looks like they've done like a lot of work cleaning up here compared to what it used to be. It's not what I'm looking for, but it's all busted up. Not surprised. This particular yard, they're all a little different. Oh look, there's two more. In how they do stuff. This yard separates trucks and cars, not by brand, just trucks over here, cars over there. Huh. This is like oh, it's got a hole in it. I was gonna say this is like a pretty nice bed, but I guess it's not. What we got there? An excursion. Oh, here's one of what I'm looking for right here. Somebody took the engine. You son of a bitch. I wonder if they left the starter laying around. I wonder what size these wheels are. I'm probably, what year is this one? 06. That steering box will work for me. I'm probably gonna like spend a day before long pulling another front axle, because I bought mine off Marketplace and it wasn't complete, and it's gonna nickel and dime me. So, oh, there's stuff back here. There's the intercooler. It's funny that to 7.3 guys, that intercooler is an upgrade, and to Cummins guys, the somebody tried to repair this. To Cummins guys, the 7.3 intercooler is an upgrade. Is the starter back here? That would be fucking sweet. Everything else is back here. The rails are back here. Pulleys back here. The EGR cooler. They're great when you delete them. It's the starter. Did somebody take the starter? Ah, there's the alternator. Oh man, we're gonna get lucky here, boys. I can feel it. I feel it in my bones. Yeah, the starter's in here somewhere, I'm sure of it. Everything's in here. Why would you have the oil fill in here and not the starter? I'm gonna get out of this without so much as pulling a tool. Let me International. Let me put you guys on pause, and I'm gonna root through this shit here for a minute. I'll be right back. Alright, well, I'm having a hard time accepting it, but literally every part but the engine block and the starter are missing. Where'd they go? I don't know. I'm really bummed out about it. Who the fuck even wants a 6-liter Power Stroke engine block? But yeah, I mean, like, I've crawled all over this thing. They definitely pulled the starter. and she gone, and the engine block is gone as well, and all the accessories, the heads, the fuel rails, all here. Like, weird. I really rooted through this thing. Bummer. I was really hoping to get a cheap, easy starter here for my Cummins. Yeah, I guess we're moving on with sadness in our hearts. This Excursion might have a 6-liter in it, but probably not. Yeah, that's a 5.4. I forget. There's another 6-liter out here, I thought. Really didn't want to lay in the snow and do this. Probably not going to lay in the snow and do this. Especially when I can pull one, get one already pulled for, it's probably a 454 back there. I can get one already pulled for $40. They're 20 here. I know that I should do it right the first time and get a Power Master super duper high voltage, blah blah blah. But you guys know I'm not going to do that. So what do we got here? It's crazy that you can get Rams like my truck that are way older than my truck. I kind of need that top piece. Mine's all busted up from hauling shit in my truck. Right now I gotta pull my britches up, so hold on a second. Alright, moving on. Disappointed. Really built me up there, Junkyard, just to tear me back down. What are you? This might have the trans controller I want. That's a 96. It's a little too new. The vent windows, I thought they went away in 95. Huh. Anyway, that would be a trans controller potentially for my Toyota. The AW4 and the 304 being the same basic unit. I suspect an AW4 trans controller will run a 304 or 340, sorry. A340 is what Toyota calls theirs. A little thin on trucks out here. Believe it or not, like I said, this is actually substantially cleaned up from what it's been in the past. Alright, I'm going to throw you guys back on pause. I love 3/4 ton Suburbans. I'm going to throw you guys back on pause and bring you back if I find anything cool again. So, I've got another one. It's 06. 2-wheel drive. They did not leave me the starter or anything else except that punk ass intercooler that I don't want. And then there's this guy, which is also a 6-liter and a dually, but the wrong year. And I say the wrong year because the bolt pattern's different. This might be okay. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. At some point, they changed the bolt pattern on the Super Duty dualies from like 8x180 or whatever it is to 8x200 or something like that. Somebody got the wheel adapters, which are pretty valuable because you can make any front axle a dually if you get the wheel adapters. And they took the starter. I already crawled under there and looked. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna pack it in. I don't really want to be out here. It's snowing, it's cold, it's wet. To Denali. Oh no, that's an Escalade. That's a Denali. Anyway, plenty of treasures out here for other people. I might take a quick look-see and see if I can find a Sierra out here for my in-laws' smashed up truck. But I think I'm going to call that a week. I think I'm going to pack it in and head back home with nothing. Because sometimes that's how she goes, I guess. I hope you guys are doing well and your projects are going well. And I thank you for watching and coming along on my little junkyard adventure, even though it didn't bring nothing back to us. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on The Driveway Engineer.